The Yaskawa Cimr-M5A20150 is a spindle motor controller that we rebuilt and used to help repair another part of the system. Its matching power converter, CIMR-MR5A2011. We rebuilt this motor controller, and with the matching spindle motor and matching power converter, we were able to solve all the issues tied to the system. As discussed in the power converter video, this system was experiencing random errors, which ultimately were caused by a marginal part that would not allow the excess energy from the spindle motor to be properly converted into regen energy at the power converter. We rectified this problem, and the full operation of the system as a whole is shown in the video. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.